Good morning, class. Today is Thursday, April 16th, and we're going to be doing our calendar and looking at the number 28 today. We're also going to skip count by twos, on even numbers, and on odd numbers, all the way to 30. So grab your yellow do-a-ting and open up your calendar with me. Remember that you can finish coloring your April picture. We're halfway through the month of April already. Hopping over to our month, we need to add our day for today. If we were at 14/15, today is the 16th. Notice the other special events that happened on a Thursday. Thursday, April 9th was Passover. That was last Thursday. And 2 weeks from now is the last day of April. So we're getting pretty close. We can count ahead to see how far it is until Max's birthday, or we can do some addition. If we know there's 7 days in this week and there's 2 blanks here, 7 plus 2 is 9. So that means 9 days till Max's birthday. That works for us because we have a whole row. If we want to see how many days until Earth Day, we can add these 2 blank days and these 4 days, including Earth Day. And our question would be 2 plus 4 is 6. So 6 days until Earth Day. If we want to know how many days from the 16th until the last day on the 30th, it's 2 full weeks because we stayed on a Thursday to Thursday to Thursday. That means our question would be 7 plus 7, so 14 days until the 30th. You could also use takeaway to make those to do those questions. 30 take away 16 is still 14. 22 take away 16 is still 6. And 25 take away 16 is still 9. So we can count forward, we can do some addition questions, or we can do some subtraction to find out how long until our next upcoming fun days are happening in April. Go ahead, please, my friends, and color the number 16 on your umbrella. The forecast for today says it's going to be partly sunny and partly cloudy. So when you check the weather out, you decide where you're going to put your tally mark. I think I'm going to add mine to the sunny part of our sunny or cloudy tally marks. And I'm also going to go right ahead and add a sunny day to my bar graph. That means I need a yellow bar up here. When you look at the weather, if it's more cloudy, you can go ahead and put a black bar for your cloudy day. If it's equally sunny and cloudy, go ahead and put a brown bar for a partly sunny day. Number of the day is 28, so hop ahead to your empty next page. Start with the date on top. It is Thursday. We'll write the whole word for Thursday. April 16th. I almost wrote the 28th because 28 is our number for the day. To decide if it's even or odd, we're going to do our skip counting. We're going to skip count on even numbers, which means we're going to start with 0, 2. And if I hit it, then it's an even number. So are you ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Oh, I landed on it, so I know it's even. 30 would be my next number if I was skip counting by twos till 30. Just for practice, let's skip count on the odd numbers, which means we're going to start on 1. We're going to skip the next number and say the number after, so we're skip counting by twos. That means our numbers go like this. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. I did not hit 28, so it's odd because we started at 1, skip counting on odd numbers. We want to have 2 addition questions and at least 1 subtraction question. If you want, you could squish in some extra questions down here in the bottom if you want to do some more ways to make 28. Some of us yesterday, when we did how many ways to make 24, came up with some wonderful ways to make their number using multiple parts instead of just 2 parts. These are 2-part questions. And some people used big numbers to get to their answer. So if you want to add some extra, you've got space on your page here and here and here that you could add extra questions. Don't feel like you just have to do what I do. Counting up from 28, I think I'm going to start at 25, counting by ones to find out what's one more, would be 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And counting backwards to find out what's one less, I'll start at 30. So it goes 30, 29, 28, 27. So I know one less is 27. I always like to do my 10 frames because they help me with such a nice visual to figure out what my questions could be. I need a full 20 for that 20, and I need 8. When we have 8 full, we have 2 empty. So I can very easily tell that I first have a question that is 20 plus 8. So I'll write that one down first, and that equals 8. I could tell I have 10 plus 18, and that also makes 28. Now if I want a subtraction question that equals 28, I have it here as well. This would be 30 if all of my boxes were full in my 10 frames. So I can say 30, take away, how many are empty? Only 2 of them. So if I do 30, take away 2, I get 28. Tally mark for 20 means I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of 5. And then my last one is not a full set of 5, it's just 3 more. And that shows me 28 on my tally marks. Still nothing in our 100s because we don't have a third column here. The 2 stands for 20, so that equals 2 10s. And the 8 is 8 ones, so it goes 8 in this column. Go ahead, my friends, and finish your number of the day. Don't forget to put the date on top. And if you want to do some extra addition and subtraction questions, you've got spaces in these 3 spots. Post it to me on the stream, and we'll have a wonderful day. I hope to see you at 9:30 in our Google Classroom.